Hello guys, today we will see how to obtain good standing certificate from Pakistan Medical Commission. Pakistan Medical Commission has recently launched an online portal to obtain all sort of licenses and certificates, and PMC is not accepting any applications by mail now. So let's see how can we get good standing certificate from Pakistan Medical Commission through its online portal. The online portal is pmc.gov.pk/online. The link to this portal is given in the description box. If you scroll down, there is this option of licensing online. You click here and an interface will appear asking you for email and password. Alright, and if you are signing it up for the first time, then you click it up here. On clicking the sign up option, these are some of your credentials which are to be filled, including your name, your father name, date of birth, gender, nationality, CNIC, date of issuance of CNIC, your PMC registration number, your mobile number, email address and your password, and click on sign up option. A verification code will be sent to you through email or through your registered phone number, and you just have to put your verification code next, and then you can log it with your email ID and your password. Since I have already made an account on the PMC portal, so after logging in, this type of interface will appear on your screen. And this is a list of all the applications and the forms which you have to fill and apply to get your required application. For good standing application, this is the one, good standing or practical application. You just click on this apply part. When you click on good standing certificate, this type of interface will appear on your screen, and it says that two documents are required for this application. One is consent form and the other one is practical experience certificate issued by head of institution, if required certificate of practical experience. Well, this practical experience certificate is needed if you are applying for the certificate of practical experience. For good standing certificate, you don't need it. However, you need only this consent form, and when you click here, our form will be downloaded, and this is the form which is downloaded. You have to take a printout of it and fill it up, and just sign it over here and upload it back on the PMC website. We will see that where it is to be uploaded. Just continue it up here. Alright, after downloading the consent form, when you click on the continue part, this type of performa is generated, and you just have to fill it online. Since I have already applied for the good standing certificate, so I am filling this form with the fake credentials. So write your PMC registration number over here, your name, your father name, your nationality, CNIC, and your date of issuance, your date of birth, mobile, and your email over here. Alright, country regulator for which this certificate is required. Well, if you are applying for, just write UAE over here, it works well. If you are don't need to specify that you are applying for either hard, DHA or MOH, no need to write anything over it, just write UAE over it. Alright, address of the foreign regulator, just state UAE over it, and email of the foreign regulator. Now this is the email which I got from DHA website. However, if you are applying for hard or MOH, it is advisable that you get their email address from their websites. Okay, courier to foreign regulator directly from PMC, you don't need this, so just click no over here. Certificate type is good standing certificate and verification. Alright, if you click, there is a practical experience and good standing and verification options. Just click the first one, choose the first one, Alright, scroll down and upload a picture over here. The picture should be with white background with both of your ears visible. This is the part where you attach your consent form. The consent form, which was to be filled with your name and your signature. Upload it over here, and just skip this part, you don't need this. And fee for certificate of good standing valid for fee for the good standing certificate is 5000 rupees. Alright, and then proceed to payment. On clicking this proceed to payment, this screen will appear, and agree to the terms and conditions, and they will take you to the next part where you have to submit your fee. Now this is a very good part. You don't need to apply via bank drafts, or like there was a need previously to get the bank drafts of rupees 5000. You can pay with your either debit card, your credit card, or your bank challan. I hope this bank challan is the same as bank draft. However, you can even apply with your credit and debit card. On applying with your debit card, a transaction ID will be generated against your debit card number, and then you just submit over here. Alright, and your application will be submitted, and PMC will take about 20 to 25 days to send this good standing certificate back onto your mailing address. Now you must be wondering that you haven't written your mailing address anywhere, so don't worry about it. They have your registration number, and they will take the data out of your registration number by themselves and send it back to the mailing address whatever is registered against your PMC registration number. And on the application history portion, you can even check the status of your application over here. My status is pending payment. Obviously I'm not David Beckham, and I'm not going to pay for that. I have already paid 5000 rupees for my good standing certificate, but you can see the status of your application from this side. And that's all. That's the whole procedure, and it is very easy now. I hope this video was helpful to you. And still, if you have any question, any ambiguity regarding applying for good standing certificate from Pakistan Medical Commission, you can comment below, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.